Recover your Credit Karma tax account. So for this, open any of a browser that you prefer and in the search bar search for creditkarma.com or Credit Karma account. Now go ahead and tap on the option where it says Login. Here, go ahead and enter your email address or a password, then go ahead and tap on Login. If not, tap on Try another way if you cannot log into your account. So right here, as you can see, you can go ahead and enter your email address that is linked to your Credit Karma account. So if you have also forgotten your email, similarly go to Forgot Email. Then it can provide you with a phone number code. For that, you have to enter a phone number that is linked to your account and then it will send an SMS with a verification code. Simply copy the verification code and paste it in the dialog box to be verified. After it, it will ask you a couple of security questions and once you pass through it, you'll be able to restore your account. And before that, you'll get a chance to recreate your password where you have to create a stronger one and save it with the help of a password manager so that you will not be able to lose it anytime soon. And that is pretty much it for this video as well. We hope it was informative and helpful to you and thank you so much for watching.